Hi budgeters! This time of year can be filled with monumental events such as baby and bridal showers, weddings, and housewarming parties. While these events are fun to celebrate, they can make a dent in your budget, especially if you have a few in 1 month. Well, you know that I love the Dollar Tree and sticking to a budget, so I came up with some budget-friendly ideas that require just a little bit of assembly. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make 2 gifts at 2 different price points. We're going to make one gift that's exclusively from the Dollar Tree with a price point of $20 or under. And we're going to make that in a gift basket version with dining plates. And we're going to make a kitchen towel cake, again at both price points. One of the gifts, we're gonna splurge bit more though, because we're whipping out all the stops. We've got Spade and Tiffany and Company for that one. Keep in mind, you can always mix and match for different price points to fit within your budget. So if you like some things from the Dollar Tree, but you splurged and got some Tiffany and Company glasses, then go ahead, mix it all up. Remember, it's about what works for your budget. Don't forget to subscribe if you love beating the budget like me. Let's jump into the video. Here are some of the things that you'll need to create a towel cake. So you'll need a base. This can come from a registry such as a strainer or colander, or you can get something from the Dollar Tree. In this case, I chose this kind of baking dish look-alike, but it's really just plastic. You're going to need some filler towels. So for that, I just picked up some white bar mop dishcloths, and they had 2 varieties. I just grabbed both. Then you're gonna need your decorative towels. These ones I picked up from Dollar Tree. I love the lemon design. And then they also had this really cute gingham style kitchen towel. And I got a few coordinating things as well, like a pot holder and a oven mitt. And I got this dish drying mat because it was thick, and this might help thicken up one of the towel cakes. Next, you're gonna need some utility pieces or like filler pieces, but that serve a function. And again, you can get these from the registry. You can get things from places like Marshall's, or you can get things from Dollar Tree. I like these bamboo spoons, forks, because they're just bamboo and they're $1. I got this lemon squeezer because, you know, the lemon theme. And I got this blue rubber spatula because it matched the blue gingham, but anything from the registry would work as well. Then you're gonna need some accent pieces, so like greenery or some flowers, or in this case, some lemon picks. These things I got from Dollar Tree. These lemon picks, I actually don't know where these ones were from. I think Hobby Lobby. Or you can also just use some bows and curly ribbon, and I got these from Dollar Tree. You're gonna need decorative ribbon that matches your theme. These both were from Dollar Tree as well. You're gonna need some sort of a cake topper. So this one is like that, Mr. and Mrs. And this one says bride to be, but I think it's broken, so I'm gonna have to look into that. Or in my luxury towel cake, I'm gonna try to see if I can fit this Tiffany and Company champagne flutes as a cake topper. You'll also need some hot glue sticks, hot glue gun, and some rubber bands. So we're gonna get started with the Dollar Tree towel cake, and I'm just cutting off the tags so I can work better with the towels. And I'm folding the inner layer towels, the filler towels, so that they're just a little shorter than my outside layer. I want that outside towel to just be a little bit bigger so that it can create a nest for the top layer to fit into, just like that. Then I'm going to take an elastic and wrap it around to keep it all in place. And I'm going to fit it inside of my base to make sure it's the size I was looking for. Then I used a dish drying mat for the top layer so that it would fill that layer more thickly without using a lot of filler towels. And now I'm just mocking up how I would make it look more permanently. So I'm adding the towel holders in the back and adding some of the spoons and just seeing how it might look before I go ahead and add my ribbon. I'm now going to add some greenery like these faux roses from the Dollar Tree, and I'm kind of staggering it so that it's in a zigzag, so you can see one will be at the top right, one is up to the left, and then the last one is on the right. So like a zigzag pattern, I think that just works sometimes. Then I'm going to go in with some blue ribbon and put it right around the buffalo check pattern on the top, and then on the bottom I wanted more of a statement, so I'm using this lace burlap ribbon with the blue on top to kind of tie it all in together. This towel cake would be great for like an I do barbecue or something like that that people have for showers because it has like that kind of picnic look. And I'm just hot gluing the ribbon on, being careful that the hot glue doesn't get onto the towels. So now I'm just reassembling everything, putting it back together, and doing any final touches on the towel cake. You can go ahead and gift this towel cake just as is, or you can use the shrink wrap that Dollar Tree sells. This was the perfect size for the bag that they carry, or you can just put a bow directly on it without the silicone or plastic bag. It looked cute either way. Next up is the Dollar Tree gift basket using these beautiful lemon plates that are seasonal. Go grab them if you can, or you can actually order them online. That's an inside tip. You can order them for in groups of 4 online on dollartree.com. But for this, I'm just taking all of the things that I have that are appropriate, that fit the theme from Dollar Tree. So I'm using those lemon dinner plates and lemon salad plates, lemon towels. Now you can see a lemon squeezer. And again, I just took off all of the tags because, you know, they're not going to return to Dollar Tree anyway. So it just works out. I'm just layering all of the items in, kind of playing with it, and I'll move things as I like it. I loved using this fern branch and a few of the projects you'll see here because it just added some height and greenery to the projects. And I think it looks so cute. And this was only $15, and I'm wrapping it with a little gift bag, or you could just leave it alone, add a little bow, whatever you like. How cute. This next project is the more expensive one, the most expensive one. We're using Kate Spade and Tiffany and Company products, Nicole Miller, etc. So as you can see, I'm taking my towels and I'm making them very thick so that they take up more space as a cake, like more width. And as I add more towels to the outer layer, I am letting them get a little bigger. So I'm again creating like a little bit of a nest. And this was one so that I can fit a cake inside of that nest, but also because it was good for the width, like adding some, width to the cake to make it wider. Once I have the width I'd like, I'm putting an elastic band over it to keep it held in place. And here I was just playing around with how am I going to put this thing together? What's going to be my base? And I figured out I would use some lemon tea as the base under the towel cake. And from there, it just kind of started taking shape. I also had an apron to add, so that's going to be one of my layers. I just folded it like I would a towel. And you'll see I'm using a Dollar Tree towel in here too because I needed the space. Never underestimate how many towels it's going to take you to create these layers. Like I said, it's better to make them thinner because then they'll become wider, like fold them thinner so they become wider. And here I am. This is the process that I took to get my layers. Just roll it all up. And just in case I didn't say it, I'm putting the more decorative towels on the outside. So on the bottom layer, you'll see I have a Kate Spade lemon towel.
And on the top layer, I have Kate Spade lemon napkins, but they're the same design, so they match, so the cake will look more cohesive that way. Just like my other cake, I'm going to mock it up, add some of the lemon picks that I got, add some of the spoons. That inner spoon, that wooden spoon in the center, is kind of holding the two layers together. That's why I put it in deep, so that it would get into the first layer, so that it would kind of keep the two layers connected, even though it's also like nested in there with that lip I was talking about. I hope that's all making sense. But yeah, I'm just adding all of the pieces I think might look good. And now moving on to the ribbon. Because I wanted to tie in the Tiffany & Company glasses that I got for this gift, I made sure I got a like Tiffany colored ribbon to go with the other ribbons. And I just layered them, hot glued them, same as before, just being careful not to get any hot glue on the towels. I think the cake looks great as is, but I did have the banners, so I went ahead and added it. And as you can see, I wasn't able to fit that big Tiffany box into my towel cake. I would have needed a million towels, but I'm going to put it all on a tray and give it as a gift together. Good thing for the blue ribbon. This towel cake combo cost $150, not including a tray. This final project is a $40 gift basket using a combo of Dollar Tree items and some items found at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and stores like that. So first you can see I am using a thrifted basket. Well, I actually had this basket, but I imagine you can find one of these baskets at a thrift store. And I'm just layering in the main things first, like those beautiful lemon plates from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just adding in a few of the food products, the lemon food products. And we have an oven mitt in the back to give it some height. You'll see that I'm going to add a fern, and that also gives the basket a little bit of symmetry with the height, with the oven mitt and the fern. Remember, it's fine to have more things that you don't use. You can just return them to the store. Once the basket looks how you want it to look, go ahead and start adding some decor pieces like these lemon picks that help enhance the lemon theme. The Dollar Tree bags that I used before, it's not big enough for this basket, so you could just leave it like this and maybe add a yellow bow to it with some yellow ribbon.
If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe because I have more upcoming videos like this. One of which is how to decorate on a budget using Dollar Tree products for a bachelorette party. Don't forget to also like this video and comment down below. Let me know if you're married, what was one of your most memorable baskets or towel cakes or just a creative gift like that. I would love to know, so maybe I could DIY it for my audience. Until next time, get more content on how to beat the budget on Instagram at Beating the Budget. Thanks for watching. Bye.